Hello, today we will guide you through how to change host in Zoom. In this walkthrough, we'll go over how to transfer host controls to another participant during a Zoom meeting. This is useful if you need someone else to manage the meeting, continue presenting, or take over administrative controls while you step away. Before you begin, make sure you are already signed into the Zoom desktop app and that your meeting is active. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Once the app is open, go into your meeting. In this example, we're using a sample meeting, but the same process applies to any live Zoom session where you are currently the host. It's important to remember that only the current host can assign host status to someone else, so if you don't see the option later on, double check that you are the host of the meeting. After the meeting window is open, look toward the bottom toolbar and click Participants. This will open the Participants panel, usually along the right side of the screen. In this panel, you'll see a list of everyone currently in the meeting. This area gives you access to participant controls, including the option to change host permissions. Next, find the participant you want to make the new host. Move your cursor over their name, or if your Zoom layout shows it this way, click the three-dot More menu next to that participant. This menu contains extra actions you can take for that person during the meeting. From that menu, click Make Host. Zoom may ask you to confirm the change, since transferring host status gives that person full host controls. Once you confirm, the selected participant becomes the new host of the meeting. At that point, host privileges are transferred immediately. The new host will be able to manage participants, control meeting settings, and handle other host-level actions. Keep in mind that after you pass host status, your own permissions may change unless the new host later assigns them back to you. If you're doing this during an important meeting, it's a good idea to let the other participant know in advance so they're ready to take over. That can help avoid confusion and keep the meeting running smoothly. And that's all it takes to change the host in Zoom. Open the Zoom app, enter your meeting, open the Participants panel, select the Participants More menu, and choose Make Host. With just a few clicks, you can hand off control quickly and easily.